To no longer accept the status quo takes courage. To change the status quo, we need everyone. All in. Imagine shaping a future that breaks the mold of what is possible today. To overcome boundaries and create new possibilities for everyone. Imagine creating a lattice structure where every connection strengthens the whole to be more flexible and unbreakable. We know this is possible because we see our technology building solutions for the future with unlimited possibilities. What we have learned is simply this: to break boundaries, to make stereotypes and predefined molds a thing of the past, it takes strong connections. We believe the same is true for people. Breaking boundaries for every single person and creating connections turns imagination into limitless possibilities. It all starts with respect. I see you, I hear you, I listen to you. Sometimes it's just a smile or a thank you. You are my colleague, my mentor, my friend, like family. Everyone belongs. When we come together and empower one another to turn ideas into reality, we are individuals as part of one goal. We are connected, and connection means strength. Breaking boundaries is a commitment. We are all in.